So what's going on with CEI by Monday? What we should do and the price? Are we gonna see the price going up or are we gonna see the price going down because there's a lot of factors going on? So let's get right to it and see the strategy for Monday, guys. And first off, let's see what's going on. As we said before, we talked about it as this ascending line. We didn't hold it last week and we went down and we hold above the $1.38. As I said, this is will be the last support after this ascending line, the first signal of weakness. Okay, so if we go here on the most traded stock, heavily talked stock here, we can see that CEI is not actually here. Wait a second, let me just check again. Yes, we have DWAC, of course, the first, and CEI is not right now at the top. That's why we see a bit of volume drop for CEI, because there's a lot of stock right now is heavily talked and the volume is been drained from a lot of stocks for those stocks. This is kind of the trend right now for the stock market, like the most heavily talked about stocks in Reddit, that we're gonna see a big volatility and big spike movement, and this is kind of the trend right now. And again, we see if we go back in the chart for CEI, as we said, we see the price test here and went down around this gap. Then the price went down. So right now we are really in technical area between this ascending line, guys, and this support. Okay, so by Monday we're gonna see another test. If we saw this test, guys, around this area, around the $1.57, as I said, near the gap here, and we got rejected, that's mean we're gonna see the price go around again the $1.03. And again, this will be the first technical area and psychological level, because after this I will be extra careful, because the next price level that we have a big buying pressure, and if you want to average down, will be the 0.66. The first big buying pressure will happen here, guys. This is it for CEI. This is a kind of like a psychological level. At the same time, insider buy limit order will be triggered here. Okay, this has always happened for CEI. Whenever we have a technical test, you see a big buying pressure happening. Okay, any price test around the support, we should be ready to hunt, because this will be the easiest and at the same time the safest to get in and buy, or if you want to average down. So never, as I said, never average down when we see the price go down like this one. You see, don't average down when we have like a price level jump down. However, you average down around the support, so your average will be good. Okay, because if you average every cent is not good and not advisable. You ask why? Because the more you average down, the more harder to average the next time, because you bought around the higher limit order for the price action, you know. So the more bigger the price you have, let's say 100,000, and you want to average down with 1,000, it doesn't do anything, guys. So be wise and be strategic in this kind of scenario, in this kind of volatility in the market, because guys, the stock market is a big game field. You know, the smartest who win, and who's the have a strategy who will win and make profit. Okay, if you don't have a strategy, you will give the money back to the market. Simple as that. As I said, guys, we need to test this area of interest. As I said, we'll have this reaction by Monday. If we got rejected here, as I said, we're gonna see the price break the $1.38 and close here, is mean we're gonna see the $1.38. However, if we have the price go above this time, the $1.57, we're gonna see a volatility again to go around the $1.84. And as I said, the $1.84 in the last videos, always we talked about the $1.84. You know why? Because this is where we have the momentum change and big buying pressure happening to go until the $2.25. A lot of people want to see this price again around the $2.25 to $2.30, and this will never happen just around right now, not the $1.84. The price to be, or the big signal of change is never get rejected here, the $1.57. okay, a really important level that we're gonna see a test for Monday, guys. So if you have any question, guys, comment section below. And if you want a pre-market update for CEI or any stock or crypto, join us in Patreon, comment section below. We nearly the 100 Patreon. We're gonna do a big surprise for you in the 100 mark. You can actually go and check the surprise because we write it down on Patreon. And again, guys, thank you for the support, and hopefully have a nice weekend, and see you in the next update.